True story. This was when I first got out of beauty school and I started my very first nail job. So now we're talking back in the 80s. You want to hear a gross story from back then? Okay, here's how it went. This lady sits down, I'm doing her acrylics. Now I'm with the orange wood stick cleaning out some stuff up under them, you know, and I'm breaking down the lifted and gonna, you know, file it down and whatnot, but there's this stuff and it's kind of mushy and different colors and there's some red and some green and I didn't know what the heck. And so anyway, I'm cleaning it out and she goes, "Oh, you were supposed to save that for me." I'm like, "What?" And she goes, yeah, I was saving that for later on. That was my snack. She worked in a deli and she was making sandwiches with no gloves on. And there was meat and cheese and tomato and lettuce and all kinds of stuff under her nails. It was so horrible. And that wasn't the end of it. Another story, a client came in and I was doing her acrylics. Now, you know, sometimes they would lift and water and fluids would seep up under there. So like this one time, there was this reddish, brownish fluid up under there. And yeah, you see where this is going. And so it turns out it was blood. She's a nurse. And that meant she was handling blood with no gloves back in the 80s. Well, actually, it was, the AIDS crisis had already happened. So like this hospital, I guess, didn't make them wear gloves at that time. I don't know, but it was horrifying and I was like disgusted. Peace out.